Okay, here activity is given in 1.2 that a girl and a lady, they are doing one experiment. They have taken three cups, that is A, B and C. In these three cups they are sowing some moong seeds. In the first cup they have added soil with some dung of cow and with some seeds. In the second cup they have added little urea with the soil, and in the third they have sown the seeds without putting anything, and they have kept it aside for 7 to 10 days and watered these seeds regularly. Now you can see these cups, that is the A, B and C. Now, growing seedlings with the manure and fertilizer. The first used manure, the second used urea, that is fertilizer, and the third without any manure or fertilizer. Did plants in all the classes grow at the same pace? Which class showed better growth of the plants? In which class was the growth fastest? We all can say that it is in the class B. The fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. How are they different from manure? Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, sulfur superphosphate, potash, NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. The use of fertilizer has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. But excessive use of fertilizers also can harm the soil. Fertilizers also become a source of water pollution as there are chemicals added in the fertilizer. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with organic manure or leave the field uncultivated fallow in between two crops. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity, that is water holding capacity. It replenishes the soil with nutrients. Now the another method of replenishing the soil with nutrient is through crop rotation. The crop rotation is another concept. This can be done by growing different crops alternatively. Means what? Once if the rice crop is taken, the next time you can't take the rice crop production, you have to take wheat crop production. Earlier, farmers in northern India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. Yes, means once they took the production of legumes, they haven't taken again legumes production, they took the production of wheat. This helped in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. In the previous classes, we have already learned about rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the nodules of roots of leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Here the table is there with the difference between the fertilizer and manure. Some differences we have already studied. The fertilizer. Fertilizer is a man-made or inorganic salt, and manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle, dung and plant residues. Second, fertilizer is prepared in factories and manure can be prepared in the farm. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Table gives the difference between fertilizers and manures. Now there are some advantages of using manure. The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because 1. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. Third, it increases the number of friendly microbes. Fourth, it improves the texture of the soil. Manure is having advantages because there is no chemical added and it is prepared with the organic materials in the farm. So here we will end this our session, and the next session with the next half of the chapter will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.